You better hurry.
Yeah. Can you go ahead and make that first cut again? I missed the shot like a wedding cake.
What's the guard joke?
That's 78.
I want to wait.
So is that like a scar on the left, that long line there by your left hand?
No, that is the lateral line that they use to feel vibrations with.
Oh, okay.
All fish have them.
It's just some are more easy to see.
Yeah, have you ever seen like a snook?
Huh. I've never been. It's the first time I've been in saltwater.
Oh, that's awesome, dude. Oh, there you go. What's he been eating on? Look at that. Baby bone. Isn't that? No, what is that? That's a bone, isn't it?
Yeah. I've caught stuff smarter than I ate it.
Put that in my here, and then we'll get us
Go sharking too. You want it like you're already? Oh, are they really? You gonna go drum fishing again?
That's a beat.
Dude, this thing was chock full.
Where are those at?
What, the kings? I don't know. Yeah, where are the kings at?
Those little bonitas.
How many kings were caught between 10 boats today? 5?
I think Busman has the record, right?
Yes. Oh, he had 6? Good lord, high
He
hook.
had 6 or 7.
God.
Well, he started 5 this morning. He started fishing at 5.
Yeah.
He was on the reef before we had bait.
They did.
Do it for them. For Mike, a little bit of M&D something once in a while he brings.
So we do them at the green turtle while we're bringing home. This got it sick.
I'm gonna need a paint after this.
A what?
A paint.
Oh yeah, copy.
Dude, my back is beat.
That was a little rough.
Yeah, it was.
Hey, you think we need to poke the eyes on these?
I would.
And the guts and everything, huh?
Just poke it off. Just,
Keep poking.
and there you go.
And that's all the part ain't worth eating.
I mean, you can try it.
You can make soup out of it.
Exactly, some fish soup.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I got clients that take that singing.
Fish head
Bet he's
soup.
got a bunch of cobia jigs in there.
I'll take those.
Yeah, Roger that.
He's got nothing.
But they're in there spawning right now.
That's what I wonder. Oh yeah, look at all that row. Oh yeah.
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 She's closed off.
So how long you been captaining?
Well, I've had my captain's license since I was 20. But I didn't start actually running charters until I was about 23.
Okay.
And I started my own inshore charter business. Where I did it on Mosquito Lagoon.
Okay.
You know, fishing for redfish and much smaller black drum.
I only got long toes.
I love this one. Probably the first king I've ever cleaned that didn't fall apart like a big one. I know it.
That has the help.
Yeah. Yeah, sometimes these bigger ones will fall apart. You know, it's kind of a delicate meat.
I know it's a lot easier to pick it up once it's on ice.
Yep.
Do they have someone here that smokes fish that around here?
Yeah, they do. There's actually a restaurant. They're not open.
Well, everybody, that's playing out my first fish. So catch me out later. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and wonderful day. Find an adventure.